Hey entrepreneurs, hey everybody, welcome to Henlein. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and review of Henlein Artic White. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? First, we notice that the product has a plastic wrap. This is to protect the product during shipping to the customer. Once we remove the plastic wrap, we find the brand name, the picture of the product, and the name of the product. In this case, Artic White. Now, on the side of the product, we have a message that says, True wireless stereo Bluetooth earbuds. On the other side is completely blank. On the back, we have an illustration of the product, the technical specs, the characteristics of the product. It tells you more about graphene technology, a warning label, and a recommendation of an app called Volume Control. Volume Control is completely open source and is available for the Play Store on Android devices. This product is also compatible with Windows and Mac. Once we remove the sleeve, we find a sandwich style box with a foil print that says Henlein. Once we remove the lid, we find two earbuds, a charging pin. Then we find a small box that contains the instructions, 4 ear tips, and a charging cable. These earbuds fit perfectly on the ear canal. This allows you to enjoy the product without worrying that it's going to fall. These earbuds has the latest audio technology, graphene. It also has 8 hours of power capacity per earbud and 52 hours combined with the charging pin. These earbuds can be charged through wired or wireless. It also comes in 2 colors, Arctic White and Obsidian Black. This product is only available on Indiegogo, so I would leave down below on the description the Indiegogo campaign. This product has been tested with 156 songs, allowing you to try out every single music genre on your earbuds. Other thing that you have to understand is that this product comes with an open source program called Volume Control. This app allows you not only to control the volume of your device, but also it allows you to customize the sound signature to a designated music setting, or you could personalize to your taste through your hearing automatically or manually. I suggest you to try them out. They are a 10% discount from the retail price on Indiegogo. So don't hesitate. Go get it right now. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.